Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken salad for dinner. First, ensure you have about 2 cups of cooked chicken, either shredded or diced. Next, gather your essential ingredients: mayonnaise, finely diced celery, and a bit of red onion for a subtle crunch. Having everything prepped and ready makes the mixing process smooth and enjoyable. This simple approach ensures a delicious and satisfying meal for any evening. Once your chicken is cooked, it's time to prepare it for the salad. You can easily shred it using 2 forks, pulling the meat apart, or simply dice it into small, bite-sized pieces. For the vegetables, finely dice 1 stalk of celery and about 1/4 of a small red onion. Uniform pieces ensure every bite has a balanced texture and flavor, making your chicken salad truly delightful. Now for the fun part, mixing everything together. In a large bowl, combine your prepared chicken, diced celery, and red onion. Add about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, or more if you prefer a creamier texture. Season with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of dried dill for an extra layer of flavor. Gently fold all the ingredients until they are thoroughly combined and coated. Your delicious homemade chicken salad is now ready to enjoy. Serve it up on your favorite bread for a classic sandwich, with crisp crackers, or in fresh lettuce cups for a lighter option. It's perfect for a quick dinner or a packed lunch. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.